Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Alright, so we're gonna be kind of late to the whole Chris Rock, Will Smith thing, but it's not about the slap. It's not about the Oscars.
Yeah, it's not about
this
that.
is gonna be me and Lisa's take on more the relationship with the Jada and Will. So Lisa wanted to talk about
Dan is a little reluctant about has been a little reluctant about this topic because again it's not
it's
kind of overdone
notion of it, yeah. So
talking about it, but
I'm gonna try to spin it towards something more geared towards this, and hopefully it's something that can be relatable to non-millionaires that are going to the Oscars, right?
Because at the end of the day, it's about relationships, and that's the whole point of Honor BS is, or one of the elements of Honor BS is that we are talking about things that are going on that you could be ignoring in your relationship. Remember we talked about the red flags last Honor BS? So I feel like if you can go on YouTube and search analyzing Will and Jada on their body language,
the Chris Rock body language before he
hundreds of episodes, right? On YouTube that you can find that type of stuff. But I really kind of wanted to meld on protecting black women.
Yeah. So the first thing I want to do before we get into any one part of this topic, we're speaking about these things because they are public figures. This happened in such a public arena. A lot of what we know from the public is public or has been made public, whether by choice or by not, just by celebrity. By them. So by no means are we trying to act like we're experts on what's going on in their relationship. This is just our perception from what we've been shown.
Disclaimer.
So I'm not trying to judge Will Smith for that. I can definitely disagree or judge the actions that I see. I don't know the man. I don't know Jada either. So whether or not you hear me straight up hating on them or whatever critiques we have for them, it's not totally to them. I don't know these people. We can only like kind of give you our opinions on
from
what
the outside,
from what we're seeing, and we do see a lot, but we don't see everything, obviously.
That even to us, right? We are not the perfect couple, okay? We are perfect in our love, right? But we are not the perfect couple, and it works for us. But you might be looking from the outside and be like, "Oh my God, they're so great." Or you come and interact with us and be like,
in itself, right there. The idea of a perfect couple is a problem in itself.
Yes.
Like
what
that,
is this?
there is a
power couple. The you know that
which gets into what I want to talk about.
Yeah.
Not to say like, oh, this is what Lisa wants to talk about, but I'm saying like this was her part of it,
but
and we'll get into my part.
So we're gonna get into protecting black women. Again, peace, love, and happiness.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.